Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today we are going to learn how to make sour cream cherry pie. Starting with our crust, we are going to take 1.5 cups chocolate graham crumbs, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, and we're just going to give that a little bit of a stir. Then we are going to add 1/4 cup brown sugar, followed by 1/3 cup melted butter. We are going to stir to combine and press this all into our pie plate. Put that into the fridge to cool while we make our filling. For the filling, take 2 cups frozen sour cherries. In this case, I'm using Evans cherries, followed by 1/2 cup of sugar, up to 1 cup depending on how sweet you like. Then add 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice or a combination of cinnamon and nutmeg. Now we'll make a slurry using 2 tablespoons cornstarch and a little bit of water, which we'll put off to the side for after. Then we will add 1 cup sour cream or creme fraiche. In this case, I'm using homemade creme fraiche, which I will teach you how to make in a later episode. I like to use the creme fraiche because it doesn't curdle or break when it boils, unlike sour cream. Once that's boiled and bubbly, we're going to add our cornstarch slurry and cook till thickened. Then we simply fill our pre-made pie crust with our filling and chill it in the refrigerator until it is set. After that, we will top it with a little bit of homemade whipped cream. And in my case, I like to add a little bit of chocolate or coffee-flavored cheese. I know it sounds weird, but it's delicious. You have to try coffee cheese. And there you have it, delicious homemade sour cream cherry pie. If you like this video or even learned anything, please give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on Cooking on a Dime.